Ram children. Children, we have started with our chapter number 8, measurement, right? So let us continue. Today we are going to understand the concept of length. In our last class, we have understood that to measure length, we use scale, a ruler or a measuring tape. Now, meter is written as M, okay, and centimeter as cm. This is the short form. Children, centimeter, when it is used to measure a smaller thing or object. For example, if I want to measure eraser or a pencil or a notebook, I am going to use a ruler. But some length cannot be measured using a small ruler or a scale, correct? So for that we need a bigger ruler, which is called as meter ruler. So instead of the centimeter one, we will use a meter ruler, which is the big one. Now what is meter ruler? Okay, what is the relationship between meter and centimeter? That we are going to understand. Children, 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter, or 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Now look at this example. Here what do we have? A table. Okay, I want to measure the length of the table. Okay, so when I measured from here till here, okay, it is 100 centimeter. Okay, now instead of writing 100 centimeter, I can also say it that it is equal to 1 meter, because 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. Same way, look at the almirah, children. Okay, if I am going to measure the height of the almirah, for example, the height of the almirah is 200 centimeter. Okay, after measuring, okay, with a measuring tape, I got 200 centimeter. Instead of writing centimeter, I can also write as it in meter. How I can do that? Because 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter, right? Same way, 200 centimeter will be how many meters? 2 meters. So in this way, centimeter and meters are related to each other. Okay. Children, till now we have understood that we use ruler, metric scale or measuring tape to measure length. Then ruler is used to measure length of a smaller object, right? And length can be measured in centimeters and meters. Also, we have learned a formula, which is 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Now in mathematical terms, we are going to understand the conversion of meters into centimeters. As we know, the formula 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Okay. Now to convert meters into centimeters, we multiply by 100. Okay, this is very important here. What we do is we multiply by 100. How? This way. See. 1 meter is equal to, okay, is equal to 1, okay, multiplied by 100. We multiply the number by 100. Okay, 100 is equal to 100. So our answer, it is converted from meter to centimeters. How do we do? By multiplying it by 100. Same way, if I want to find out what is 2 meters, okay, like in the almirah example. So 2 meters is equal to 2, which is the number, okay, we have to multiply by 100, so that we will get our answer in centimeters. So 2 into 100 is equal to 200 centimeter. Got it, children? Children, Same way, if I want to find out for 3 meters or for 4 meters, I have to multiply the number by 100. Okay, so here 3 into 100 is equal to 300 centimeter. So 3 meter is equal to 300 centimeter and 4 meter is equal to 400 centimeter. Children, now for example, if I want to find out for example 19 meters. 19 meter. Okay, how I will find out? Simply I have to multiply by 100 if I want to convert from meter to centimeter. Okay, so 19 multiplied by 100, okay, in centimeters will be equal to 19 into 100 we have to do, which is equal to 1900 or 1900 centimeter. Okay, children, remember multiplication rule. It is multiplied by 100. You have to add zeros here, 2 zeros. So 1900 is our answer. Got it? Let us see one more example. Here Raju bought a blanket measuring 7 meter 20 centimeter. How much is the length in centimeters? Children, you can see that Raju bought a blanket and it is measuring 7 meter and 20 centimeter long. Okay, now your meter and centimeter, it is together. It is not only meters, it is in centimeters also. We have to convert the whole thing into centimeters. How we are going to convert it? Let us see. So 7 meters and 20 centimeters. Children, 20 is already in centimeters. Okay, so we will not touch 20 centimeters. First we will convert only 7 meters. How we will convert? We know the formula, right? What is the formula? 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 7 meters will be 7 into 100, right? For converting from meter to centimeter, we multiply by 100. So 7 into 100 centimeters, which is equal to 700 centimeter. Right, children? See, here we have converted from 7 meters to centimeters. 7 meter is equal to 700 centimeter. Now we will take together the full question. So 7 meter 20 centimeter is equal to, what is 7 meter? Here we have got it, 700 centimeter. Then we'll put plus sign because we have to add this 20 centimeter also. So plus 20 centimeter. Okay, now let us do addition. 700 plus 20 centimeter is equal to 720 centimeter. This is how we have to convert. Okay, so 7 meter to 20 centimeter is equal to 720 centimeters. So the blanket is 720 centimeter long. Now let us see the conversion of centimeters into meters. To change a length given in centimeters into meters, we divide by 100. Children, from meters to centimeters, we multiply by 100, and if we want to change from centimeters to meters, we divide by 100. So children, here 100 centimeter is equal to, okay, if we want to convert from centimeter to meter, we have to divide by 100. Okay, so 100 centimeter is equal to 100, the number which is written here, divided by 100 bracket and meter is equal to 1 meter. Okay, 100 divided by 100 is equal to 1, correct? If you do normal division also, 100 ones is 100, right? So it is equal to 1 meter. Or children, it is division, so you can just cancel the zeros. Your 2 zeros are there on both the sides, so you can cancel them. It will be 1 meter. Like that, if we want to find out what is 200 centimeters in meters, we have to divide by 100, correct? So when we do division, 200 divided by 100, 100 ones are 100, 100 twos are 200, correct? So we will write 2 here, 100 twos are 200, and our answer is 2 meters. So this is how we can convert from centimeters to meters.
24
Like that, if we want to find out what is 200 centimeters in meters, we have to divide by 100, correct? So when we do division, 200 divided by 100, 100 ones are 100, 100 twos are 200, correct? So we will write 2 here, 100 twos are 200, and our answer is 2 meters. So this is how we can convert from centimeters to meters. Children, now let us take one more example. A piece of cloth is 198 centimeter long, okay, or 198 centimeter long. Express its length in meters and centimeters. Now children, understand the question, okay? There is a piece of cloth and it is 198 centimeters long, okay? It is so long, it is given in centimeters. We have to express it in meters and centimeters, okay? So how we are going to express that? So the first thing is, okay, we are going to divide this number. We are going to expand this number in 100, okay? In hundreds place we are going to expand. We have learned expanded form, correct? If we expand the number in hundreds place, it will be 1 is in 100 place. So it is 100 centimeter plus what is remaining here, 98. So 98 centimeter. Step 1 is to expand the number, okay, in hundreds place. Okay, in hundreds place here we have 1. So it will be 100 centimeter plus 98 centimeter. The next step is, see, 98 centimeter is in 2 digit, correct? So that we are not going to touch. Now we can change this 100 centimeter. We know the formula, right? What is 100 centimeter? 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. So we'll write the formula. 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. Okay. Now we have to put this in the question. So 100 centimeter plus 98 centimeter is equal to, what is 100 centimeter? 1 meter. We can write that directly. We will not write here plus sign because the answer will come in meter and centimeter, right? So we cannot put addition sign. So 1 meter, and here it is 98 centimeter. Okay, this is how we are going to convert centimeter into meters and centimeter. So children, the cloth is 1 meter 98 centimeter long. Now we are going to take out your textbook, okay, and we are going to solve exercise 8.1. Children, we are going to solve only today question number 1, which is measure the following things using a 15 centimeter ruler and write their length. Okay, so you all have 15 centimeter ruler with you in your hand, correct? Yes. Now children, here these questions, your answer, if you are going to try to find out the answer at your home, it may be different from mine. Okay, so you can write your answer also, or you can copy from mine. Now A1 is length of your eraser. Now you can take eraser in your hand, okay, and you have to measure it. Now here when I am measuring the eraser, I got here 3 centimeter. So I will write here 3 centimeter. Next is length of a fork. So here I have a fork with me and I'm going to measure it with my ruler. So when I measure it, here I got 16 centimeter. So here it is 16 centimeter. Children, see the size of the eraser or the fork, it may be different, okay, at your place. So answer can change. It is okay. So but see to it that the answer is in centimeter. Then length of a glue stick. So here I have a glue stick with me. So I'm going to check. Okay. And when you are checking, children, please see to it that it is on 0. Okay. So from 0 we have to see my glue stick. Here it is 8 centimeter long. Last one is length of a thermometer. Okay. So here I have a thermometer. So let me check what is the length. The length of the thermometer is here 12 centimeter. So I have a 12 centimeter long thermometer. So children, till here only we will do it today. Next questions we will do in our next class. Thank you children. Have a good day.